So we started our day with our navigation system on the bus not working. The video screen was working, this one was not. Couldn't do anything with it at the time. So we got to our destination and we pulled the covers off up here and then look inside. And if I bring a flashlight, which is here, the main unit is right there. Okay, that is the radio unit with all the plugs, sockets, etc. What we did is we determined whether it was getting power to this socket here. Alright, you just see it. The red wire is the main power, and you can prove that by switching it on and off by this switch here, and it went on and off. So we had power there. We had power to the screens, but this plug here, which you can't see with it.
Kind of, yeah.
There, right, okay, you're getting there. It's right under there. It's about a 30-pin plug, and pull that out and place it back in again, and that's where the problem lies.
So we think it was condensation.
Possibly. We've been in cold, very cold conditions. However,
Very cool. Yay, awesome.
Repair 5002 on the Allegro Bus.